Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make homemade toast. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, are you tired of eating soft, easy to tear bread all the time? Well, do I have a great recipe for you. Today, I am sharing my all-time favorite recipe for homemade toast. Now, I tried making this recipe so many different ways before I settled on this actually old-time family recipe. I tried boiling it. That was a huge fail. I tried ironing it. I tried roasting this toast. I tried so many different techniques for making homemade toast, and none of them gave me the results I wanted. Today, I'm going to show you my family's secret recipe for the best, perfect homemade toast. Now, the first thing you need to make homemade toast is bread. Now, ideally, it shouldn't already be torn, but if it is, that's okay, I won't judge you. Today, I'm going to be using untorn bread that I bought from the supermarket. It was only like $2.50 for a bag. Now, the next ingredient you are going to need is a toaster. This is very important. You cannot make homemade toast without a toaster. Trust me, I've tried. Now, just about any toaster will work. For real authentic toast, I like to use my family's hand-me-down toaster. This is a pre-World War I toaster that's been in my family for generations, and it really yields the best results. You may not have as great of toast as I do, but you can at least try. Now, to begin, you're going to want to plug in your toaster. That's very important. If you don't do this step, your toast is not going to turn out. Now take your pre-sliced bread slices and you want to carefully place them in the center of each toasting slot. Now, the next thing you want to do is set your toast setting to your desired setting. Now, some people like to put it on 1, some people like to burn their toast. I say for the best toast, you go for a middle setting. For me, that's a 3. Now, the next thing you want to do is carefully press down your toasting levels. All that's left to do at this point is let the toaster do its thing. Once your bread pops up, it will no longer be bread, it will now be toast. Once it's popped up, be careful, your toast will be hot. And it's as simple as that. This is how you make homemade toast. No boiling, no ironing, no roasting required. I really hope you guys try this recipe out and let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you neast time. Toast day.